Welcome to Education Rocks, kindergarten to grade 6 student learning activities. Reduce hours of prep. Students not at grade level? Nonverbal or speech-delayed students? Emergency subplans? New grade or split grade? Teach all ELA and math outcomes every day? Personalized student vocabulary lists, dictionaries, and math skills practice? Easel by TpT Activities and Assessments? Yes! Education Rocks is a ready-to-use, no-prep ELA and Math 180-day student learning program that spans the entire curriculum and is completely editable. Choose traditional and/or multimodal learning and response recording through video, audio, and digital tools. Subscribe on my website or at the end of the video to receive free resources you can try in your classroom today. This bundle is 45 days of student learning activities that span the entire ELA curriculum every day. Embedded digital reading books and age-appropriate instructional videos are included on every page. Vocabulary words and letter sounds are hyperlinked for visual and auditory practice. Concise student learning outcomes are easy to read, refer to, and implement. Here is what one day of 5th grade ELA full curriculum looks like. Reading strategies for nonfiction, such as predicting and inferring, summarizing, text perspectives, and author background information. Reading strategies for fiction, such as predicting and inferring and analyzing characters, plot, and setting. Fiction and nonfiction study of text features, purpose, form, structure, and subgenres. Figurative language, poetic structures, and indigenous storytelling. Reading fluency, perspective and opinion, and etymology, word origin and meaning. Affixes, vocabulary, and language. Tier 2 and Tier 3 vocabulary, and poetry and figurative language. Organizational and revisional writing. Proofreading, parts of speech, such as verb tenses, subject-verb agreement, nouns, pronouns, noun-pronoun agreement, subject and object, and complex sentences. There are 6 5th grade ELA units. This one is the Work or Vocabulary and Language Unit Plan. Units are excellent for morning work, targeted independent practice, and/or assessments. Word origins and meanings. Tier 2 and Tier 3 vocabulary. Vocabulary, such as word choice and figurative or non-figurative words, and dictionary skills. Tier 2 and Tier 3 vocabulary. Poetry and figurative language, such as similes, metaphors, and analogies. Access to 4,000 audio-visual decoding, segmenting, and spelling videos on my YouTube channel at Education Rocks, Inc. Create your own or purchase the completed resource. For independent daily practice, share a Google slide copy with each student and delete and/or add words as you assess their word recognition skills. This bundle is 90 days of student learning activities that span the entire math curriculum every day. Embedded age-appropriate instructional videos are included on every page. Concise student learning outcomes are easy to read, refer to, and implement. Here is what one day of 5th grade math full curriculum looks like. Place value, compare and order numbers, and addition and subtraction problems. Division number bonds and products and quotients. Proper and improper fractions, and ratios as percentage and decimal numbers. Algebra and geometric properties such as symmetry. Geometric properties such as symmetry, indigenous designs, and perimeter. Coordinate plane using coordinates, polygons, and vertices. Arithmetic sequences using table of values and coordinate grid. Data and visuals and statistics such as frequency tables, closed list, and open-ended questions. There are 16 5th grade math units. This one is the Measurement Area and Perimeter Unit Plan. Units are excellent for morning work or targeted independent practice. Area and perimeter. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Excellent user-friendly format for both teacher and student. Editable. Over 200 digitally compatible Easel by TpT activities, and all are printable for traditional learning. Emergency subplans. We all need them. I've combined both ELA plus math into a 10-day full curriculum lesson plan that is a ready-to-use package for your substitute teacher. Want to save money? Here is the mega bundle for ELA. Get all ELA unit plans for any grade level at 50% off the individual unit plan price. Want to save even more money? Here is the mega bundle for math. Get all math unit plans for any grade level at 75% off the individual unit plan price.
Shop at Teachers Pay Teachers. Use the URL below to follow me on TpT. Followers and new customers receive extra discounts. More exciting information included in the video description. Reach out at hello@educationrocks.ca. Have a great year!